How to think English and master English. Thinking in English and mastering it requires consistent practice, immersion, and strategic learning. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you. 1. Train your brain to think in English. Stop translating in your head. Instead of thinking in your native language and translating, try forming direct English thoughts. Use simple English first. Start with easy sentences like, I am hungry, or the weather is nice today. Describe your surroundings in English wherever you are. Try to name objects and describe what's happening in English. Talk to yourself. When alone, speak your thoughts out loud in English. Keep an English journal. Write your daily experiences in English. Even if it's just a few sentences, use English for daily activities. Change your phone and apps to English. Think in English while planning your day, or make grocery lists in English. 2. Improve listening and speaking skills. Listen to English every day. Watch English movies, YouTube videos, or listen to podcasts. Repeat and mimic, copy, how native speakers talk by shadowing, listening and repeating immediately. Join conversations, talk with friends, join English speaking groups or find a language partner. Practice speaking daily, even 10 minutes of daily. Speaking practice can make a difference. 3. Expand vocabulary and grammar naturally. Learn words in context. Instead of memorizing single words, learn phrases and how they are used in sentences. Use flashcards. Apps like Anki or Quizlet can help you remember new words. Read a lot. Books, articles, or blogs in English will help you learn grammar and vocabulary naturally. Practice writing. Write emails, social media posts, or even short stories in English. 4. Use English every day in real situations. Think in English first. Force yourself to think in English before speaking. Join online discussions. Engage in forums, comment on videos, or join Facebook groups where people speak English. Teach someone else. Teaching a concept in English helps reinforce your own understanding. 5. Be patient and enjoy the process. Make mistakes and learn from them. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. They're part of the learning process. Stay consistent. Even 30 minutes of English practice daily is better than 5 hours once a week. Have fun. Enjoy learning through music, games, or anything you love. Thanks.